Krepi baro kani kadai kedu darshan MEGHALAYA bani peden sobhai pi syakathub khubor mentaka step. Shwa bangin ya phai shiki khubor ki babania nginya pechwa yikini ki mat ki bakongsan. An penjalan ya kapor ban penbek ma ya kathub penrung keteng ikinong thak vote ong CEO ka MEGHALAYA. Dang up ya ka kai phoi postmortem halor ka jingja ha la kolang. Dawa ka dorbar shnong penden umsaw ban set patok Xi Jinping ya ubah penyap ya ka para jongo. Menjur ka sorkar pedeng banyak terku halor ka nit. Syakem kinong yalam kaliang persyak hakapor bayaki persyak. Bat syong yakren ke Presiden Draupadi Murmu halor kimat kibadonkam hanot Makedonia. Menta nginya phashwa siki khubor na kaleng kejala. Chief Electoral Officer UPDR Tiwari wala kentaj ban penjalan ya kapor jongka Special Intensive Revision jongka thup kerteng kinong tap vote. Daka boong baan pendep ya kani kakam kat kum kapor balabo. Rengkat ke jingdep ban sam ya khandai pupra na kasispa iki kot penrung kerteng la debru ban penkela digital ya henri puar na kasispa na kini. Bala kentu ya kinong tap vote bakin IT ya kikot penrung kerteng syua ka arp khandai terik unaitung. Katba ka jingpen shisha ya kinong tap vote kiba klem don kiba la syong no shawai kiba la khalat no bat kiba don arsin ha ka thup kerteng kadang ya chkhamat. En penmi ya ka banta ka baningkong ki thup kerteng kinong tap vote ha ka san tarik unailar. Nangta en pediang ya ki jingkam bat jing persya syua ban penmi ya ka thup kerteng ka bakhat do ha ka nyau tarik urisau.
$7,446 enumeration form already been digitized, accounting 62.15% of the total electorate, marking significant progress in the digitization process. So, some districts like West Jaintia Hill, Southwest Khasi Hill and Southwest Garo Hill achieved 100% distribution, East Garo Hill 99.9% and Ribhoi 99.8%. So in the digitization also, West Khasi Hill digitized 79.86%, Southwest Khasi Hill 78.5%, East Jaintia Hill 75.4%, followed by West Garo Hill 74.03% and Southwest Garo Hill 73.81%. So we are having 3,551 polling booths. So they are supposed to, all the parties to appoint BLAs, but it is not mandatory. It is voluntary. If they want to appoint, they should. So as Meghalaya has before SIR, they have not appointed any BLAs in the prescribed manner. So once we have appealed and approached to them, they have come forward and appointed BLAs. So it is no upper cap or anything, no requisite number. It is up to the political party how many BLAs they want to.
Kajing toket halor kajing ja ka basngosi halapalang kabala shimno ya kajing em bakordor jongsan ngut kibriu kadang sakut namar kadang up ya ka kai phoi postmortem u deputy commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills u Abilash Baranwal ula ong bakala pendep ya kajing toket nakaliang katanat labor ban penkloy ya kajing siu by lut kesan nakabanta kilai ngut kinong bela kat bay ya ki arngut kinong lait ajing arab en serai andala pendep syua ya kajing toket.
That magisterial inquiry, as I had earlier said, that postmortem report was still awaited. So that report is still awaited, as a result of which we have not really been able to finalize the magisterial inquiry. But simultaneously, the Deputy Labour Commissioner, he has submitted his inquiry report, and we have asked him to submit the same to Commissioner of Commissioner for Employee Compensation, so that the three families who have lost the three laborers who lost their lives, who were engaged by the contractor, at least they can get some relief. And only after magisterial inquiry I'll be able to say whether the other two rescuers who had gone to rescue those three laborers, whether we'll be able to include them in the Employee Compensation Act or not.
Kador bar shnong penden umsaw rengkat bat kibahing bahasam jong kalanot bat kinong shong shnong kila dawa balade ben set patok shijing im ya ubriu bala syak keno bola penyap ya la kajong kapara hakapor bala pelong ya kejingat pat ba kila kentu ya kibor badai kemi ben pentikna bo uyo ya kipejingpen saja ki bajur bat kila maham ru ba kejing ai jamin ya u kala ban penke kejing ki pat ba bad hakajuk kapor ru kila kentu bade ban pelong ya kejing toket ka bakloi kila kerparu iki pulet bat ki bor sensyar ban pentikna bau ni ubri un sya set patok ban yada ya ki imlang salang
om tang bakadei ka rupentei rei kadei ka paratrai ke jong u kala pen su kriat ya kasinong ka tau hi barokowei bat ke jaka ka bau sim ya ke jing im la ni upniao kadai haka jaka lenti snong lenti padba hajan jong ka station jong ka snong te bon ki kelung kena ki kemi ki kepa ki bayat lenti salia kane kalawan ra ia ka jing sneu ding ki jing sosir na ka benta jong ka snong ka tau na kaliang jong ka snong ka tau na makata ngiliyang talilang kaway nado bangyesong ya ka executive committee jong kasinong ngiliyakot bangin wat yung nobrio hadok bandasyam
kibor penyat ke East Coast Hills District kilanang penjur syok-syok ya ka jingpen traikam ya ka MEGHALAYA Residents Safety and Security Act MRSSA daga bakentup langru ya ki klik nong sensyar jeng ki ilaka bada ka bapen klan ya ka jingpen rung kerteng online ni kinong syongwai Deputy Commissioner u Abilash Baranwal ulaong babarok kinong syongwai klem dakhen ya ka jinge per jaj benriu ni kinyam kini ban penrung kerteng ya lade kat bagi jaka balajet kerpang kila ajingmut halor kat tu kat ni teli kilat penbahaban pelong ya ki rukum le digital ki bakham kuloi bat kham sok na ka banta ki pajba
As of now, though, our focus is on ensuring that all the tenants, irrespective of the ethnicity, the religion, or irrespective of the original or the permanent residents, as long as they are residing as a tenant in any locality, in any shnong, they should be registered as has been mandated by MRSSA. So this is our overall focus. So basically, this office has had different rounds of meeting with the localities, with the Darbar shnongs. But traditional chiefs, we have, the Ilaka chiefs and heads, we have reached out to them for the first time, because as of now, there is no role for the Ilaka chiefs and heads in the Act. So that's why they have not really been called for meetings so far, I believe. But the reason why we call them for meeting is because we want to enlist their help in ensuring that it is implemented properly in the rural areas and suburban areas, which are within their Ilakas.
General Secretary ka BJP ha MEGHALAYA ula kentu ya ka sarkar jala ban bujli ya ki wayar ki bala penyat na sun di ki wayar ki balong ban penyat na pok khendau hanong ba shilong ulong bakani ka sinjam kan pensenga ya ki patba kan penduna ya ka jing lip boarding kha bat kan kentiu ru ya ka jing itnat jong kanong ba kham tam ki jaka ba kham jile kinong jingok kai kum ka khandai lat uba poshna ulong nakaseng kan sa IT ya kani ka jing ai jingmut jongka sya ka sarkar daka bakersyan ru ba enpen trikam ya kajuk rukam haborok kinong ba jung district ha MEGHALAYA
ka senjam ga baningkong ga ba nakalang menteri rang wado ula ii kata ka jing kya kamtam ha ba yede ba kini jing kani kalkom ya kini ki cables ki overhead cables an apo sor we sor shulong kamtam haba kajala kadang pengkhe man yang national games Kalau kayak bos tanah, bah nakalyang menteri rang badu lah simkia ya ni ngatai kalau nangnya ke kam sahmat ngatai kila sedang ban persang ban kumnu ban kita ndai kayak kebetulan kam ni kalau mbak pi kum ka nongba hi kepala kan ang mixing kanang roy jadi siya ndai shu ban pakhat tang man suong man weng gini kibawet ndai kaplan hi ka di ban nongba ni di banyak no ham sahmat kniat ban plan khamai no hi dia ka rukom ban penyak ya kanika ya no kalan jong kalat ne kini ki low tension lines ne ki high tension lines ki ba ka di bandon no ka rukom plan khamai
ya ka integrated health campaign ka balai benai lenter na sedang hakasnong tikia is giant health nakabanta ban net screening klem dan kam by seal nakabanta ki jingpang HIV, TB, jingpang shini, syphilis, bat kiwai pat ki jingpang. Rengkat bru ban pendung kerteng adhar bat MHIS. Dakaba play perda ya kini ke program ai jing sumar, IMLA ke sutenga saipong ikong Santa Mary Shella ila kentu ya kipat ba bakin pat tes HIV ya lade dakabaong baka jinglap kloy bat jing sumar ke babiang kala ban palaj imiki. Ki he nong penyat kila pen benaru ya ke jing temu ban pen klan ya ke rukam sumar hakabaya day bat ke jingpang HIV bat kum juru ban sam jing tip hak district barok kawai. Kumba Syihajar arspangut ki beriu kentup iki samla puli kinong hikai kinong try hakaliang kakot kekia bat katu kaningut kiriu pat ba kelayo jing hikai halor ka CPR hakeleng kanong ba shlong hak sengi burom National CPR Day kini ke jing ai jing hikai bala pelong daka Indian Academy of Pediatrics and Rotary Club Shillong Heritage ketemu ban kentiu yaki sap pelaj im yaki beriu bat kelapan pauru yaka jinglong bakongsan benle yaka CPR tang hadin kendiat por basangai kensan uklong senam.
Today is the National CPR Day, where in mass we are teaching the public, lay persons, the medical students, the healthcare providers, and anyone who is willing to learn CPR today, so that all of us learn CPR and save the life of a victim. Okay? So the significance of this day is every year we celebrate this day as an IP CPR day, but this year is a little special where we're doing it nationwide, where we are targeting to train about more than 40,000 people at a time all over the country. It's a nationwide program, and as I've said, 40,000 we are targeting more than 40,000 to be trained on this very day, so that only with two hands we'll be able to save the victim's life, because it is within 4 to 6 minutes where we have to act and give a very a good chest compression, okay, so that we compress the heart so that the brain will get the oxygen and he again revives.
Ke District Disaster Management Authority West Giant Hills dakabay trailang bat ke NDRF kala pelong ya ke jing ai jing hikai hakabaya day bat ke jing pen kre nakabenta ke jingja one shop lani ke Disaster Management Preparedness Exercise ha Adventist High Secondary School Kletershi kani ke program sam jing tip ke bedai shi benta nak ke jing ai jing hikai ha borok kawai ke district ke belas dang nen ke sengi haduk ke lai phau tarik mentau benai ke kentup ru i ke jing batai bat ke jing pen i kumnu banle hakabaya day bat kinu ke jingja ki basniu ke baya day bat ki bor maryang ki rukom sumar ningkong bat ke rukom pendon kam ke basngan i kitiar kitar nakabanta ki samla puli kinong hikai bat kinong syong shnong. Arpau teli kikor su jan lasam syakilong kemi ki badon hakikun hun self help group ki badon hapo kasnong trai haribhoi ban kentiu yak rukom than jan tenrai bat ka kamri nyang rendia UMLA kamau hati ubak Charles Marngar ula IT yakini kikor hak program bala pelong dakatanat district handloom bat sericulture harangkat kejingadon lang jong i district handloom officer ikong di Taryang kini kesinjam kolong ban penklan ya ka kamai ka kaji kilong kemi bat ban Kershan ya ke jing penmi jan rendia ki bapau nam na kani ke district. Kinong penyat kiloong bakani ke program kanyarap ban penek pensa ya kerukom tan jan tenrai jong ke jela Meghalaya. Katba kan tauru ya kilat kamai keji na kebentai kilong kemi hakitan nyong kendong.
Instrumen na makraw jadi yang resikon na kalian jogan lum department lambat jongi ha ka bakilala ban padiyo ya be resil bine ha po kan nom tulu ka jongi ba nila yo sikon ki jingan ko ki makraw professional na ta jongi ma ki mo ni ki lum tanjan kila ya shakma kila ki shakma ha ka batanjan
kita kat ni ki lokku ni ki jongi mo kan no kadap ka jis mo ko benda ki mo sin ko jama ba ni plan ki brio شكل إذا كان كذي كلام كم يشكل إذا كانوا في قوى بلين بنيت خان بنوك ينام خان زان بها بنتخان يكتك بكون خان زان تزمين ما كتك هذه كالتشر بجميع yang nyari
na layo sneu bagi we sneu bil ayo yang negani sino na tanjan ti ai na sneu te ha ni gasini bunga bi o trai ro ni dia ni penpau bagi dak dari dengan berkau ublei nang ku ublei nang harap dia pi pinanyo maksim sisu ban ai maksim ni di parang ni tiba dan hapo jengkarin hoy
Pasi ki KHUBOR na kalengkari. Kasorkar pedeng kala menjur ban pelong ya ka jingemir jingmat hapo ka ying dor bar tauan halor kamat ka bayadai bek examen neat hadin bekinong yalam ka seng kongres kila dawa ya ka jingya terko hakapor baladan ka jingya ki persya hanong ba New Delhi. Menteri Sorkar pedeng Ujitendra Singh ula ong baka sorkar kala pedang ya kani ka jing dawa hendrai ula keno ba Rahul Gandhi hadin pat ula penmi syusyu sakiwai pat ki jing dawa. Bad ula kular ru benle da ka bating persya iktu ki badon keti ha ka bapelaj tu ye ki kot jingkeli jong ka examen neat ha ka juk ka porpat Rahul Gandhi Priyanka Gandhi Akhilesh Yadav bad kiwe ki nong yalam kaliang persya kila syabat no ha ki pulet hanong ba Delhi ha ka por baladan ka jing ki persya hajan ka lok kalyan mark bala pelaj no iki kam hadien ka tu ka nipor.
The government found it appropriate to assign me and along with me the Union Home Secretary to go to the spot and try to make them understand not to indulge in an activity like this, and instead they could come to the table, have a talk. When we went there, and very politely, very humbly, I tried to plead before Rahul Gandhi ji that this was not the manner in which he should be indulging. He also did not behove a leader of his stature, and the LOB, and also a senior Congress leader. He said yes, he was ready to lift this dharna, to suspend this dharna, provided he was given an assurance that government was ready for a discussion in the parliament on the issue of NEET exam, the paper leakage, etc., all those issues related to this.
Mentang inya paishwa si ki KHUBOR na kaleng ka perthai. Ka President Draupadi Murmu bat ka President Jongkari North Macedonia ka Gordana Selianovska Davkova kila penskembiang ya ka jingadai hapadeng kini ki artili kiri ha ka jingalek yuk kejat ka bandingkong di ki President kari India sya North Macedonia. Kini kiri kila menjur benang penjiliu syuk-syuk ya ka jingat trelang jungki ha kaliang ka khai pateng ka IT ka rep kariang ka sumar sukher bat ki kam jingok kai perthai. Kat bakari India kalapan bena bakan nang penbun ya kepor nak benta ke jing ai jing hikai hakaliang ke ITEC ke bakan thopru i ke jing hikai hakaliang ke artificial intelligence ke President Murmu kala lek buram ya ulur slur kari North Macedonia ugot se Delchev bat kala ong bakani ke jing lek jingok jongka ya kani kari kedai umau mer ubakong san haban pan klan syuk-syuk ya ke jing dei hapadeng kari India bat North Macedonia.
Through joint initiatives and technology development in health sector, including in healthcare facilities. As you are aware, North Macedonia has supported India in its fight against terrorism, and I recall that it had strongly condemned the Pahalgam terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir in India last year. Honorable Rashtrapati also met with the Prime Minister of North Macedonia, who also hosted a lunch in honor of Honorable Rashtrapati. They also discussed all issues of cooperation, including cooperation in the new and renewable energy sector. Honorable President also met with President of the Assembly of North Macedonia. She addressed the Assembly of North Macedonia, the session of the Assembly. In her address, she emphasized the need for countries to work together as two democracies, fostering strong partnership by institutional linkages. She informed the Assembly.
Presiden Donald Trump ulah maham baka US kan tiada ke bating lada ke Iran ke persyang sedang biang ya ke program nuklear jongka. Ulah maham ru ya ke nong bak Tehran, persya ya ke jing tombor jongka ya ke yad ke yang ki jahaj kayi ha ke duriau Strait of Hormuz. Da ke bakam baka Iran ke wat lad banyo ya keren wat hapadeng ke jingjur ke jing kenat. Kat bau Presiden ke Iran Masud Pezeshkian ulah ong baka sorkar kaya trailang janpa berunong yalam bakli du umat taba kemini kat ba kejinga kenat akan nikatan kedang jur syusyu. Di mentapat nginyapai ke jinglong jingman ke sun beneng hakeleng ke benta jong ke jela. Hatura kajing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius bat kajing shed kalong 2 degree Celsius kajing sengam kahau-hau kalong 40% nakashispa kajing hap slap kalong 4.2 mm kat bahanong ba Shillong kajing kriat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius bat kajing shed kalong 40 degree Celsius kajing sengam kahau-hau kalong 2% nakashispa kajing hap slap kalong 2.9 mm kat bahanong ba Juwai kajing kriat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius, kajing shed kalong 40% degree Celsius, kajing sengam kahau-hau kalong khandai PR% nakachispa, kajing hap slap kalong 9.r mm. Kandon kajing hap slap kajing tet upertat haki babun kijaka hatura Shillong bat Juwai. Tiswa bangin penkut no yakini ketup kubor jingi mentah step, tungin ya sengap sasyuse yakini kimat kibakongsan. An penjalan ya kapor ban penbaik thma ya katup penrung keteng kinong chat vote ong CEO ka MEGHALAYA. Dang up ya kakai post mortem halor ka jingja halapalang. Dawa kador bar sinang penden umsau banset patok Xi Jinping yo ba penyap ya kepara jongu. Menjur ke sorkar pedeng banyak terku halor kanit syakem kinong yalam kaliang persya hakapor bayaki persya. Bat syong ya keren ke Presiden Draupadi Murmu halor kimat ke Badonkam hanot Makedonia. Di parlok katung ilapoi syakapukut jongkan di katup kubor jingi mentah step hadu bangin dia syambiang bat pi shibet jenmiet kublai pi baro.